Hi, welcome back to Easy Cheesy. I'm Joey and he's Remy and we're so glad to see you. For today we have a very delicious recipe inspired by Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. And we have him right here with us. You know what, I actually feel really related to Rabbit because he's a little bit compulsive, he likes to organize things, he's really methodical, and well, I'm kind of like that too. I know that Rabbit can be annoying sometimes, but he has really good intentions and he's a really nice guy. By the way, what's your favorite Winnie the Pooh character? Let us know in the comments below. You know how Rabbit is a rabbit? No kidding. So his favorite snack and food overall is carrots. And you know that he has an adorable garden and he takes really good care of it. He has delicious carrots. So today we're going to use a couple of these to create a delicious, fresh, and cheesy recipe. If you like it, guys, let us know by liking the video, commenting, and following our channel. So let's begin. This recipe has different ingredients from the ones I use to make mashed potatoes. I personally think this preparation wouldn't work as well with other tubers. Make sure to chop all the carrots into pieces about the same size. How do you like my carrot castle? Pour just enough water to cover the carrots and boil on high.
Oh yes, this is looking and smelling good.
I know, and the carrots have already softened. We don't actually have a potato masher, but we have this instead, and it works just as well. Once the water is absorbed, turn off the stove and mash away. And now, to the seasoning part. Gee, Remy, what do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every Monday, Joy. Try to take over the cheese.
Okay, so let's add cheese and wrap it up.
Mix, 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 mixy, mix, mix.
And that's it, you guys. This is a really healthy recipe, and the best part is that it's so easy to make. It just takes like 20 minutes. I mean, the longest part is boiling the carrots. The rest is easy cheesy. Look at this. It smells delicious. It's cheesy, it's creamy, it's vegetarian, so that's a plus. So if you like this recipe and you want to make it, or you actually bake it, let us know in the comments below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. You can also follow us on social media. Remember, we have Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'll see you guys later, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys! Oh! Okay.
Hi there, good to see you back. Ayo, 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 ayo.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever. Ayo, 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 ayo.